Hi everyone. So there's been a few questions regarding how do we take our PowerPoint presentation and make it into a vlog. So I'm creating this tutorial, hopefully will help clear up some of the mysteries. So what we're looking at is just a random PowerPoint that I pulled up on mechanisms of disease. So if you are going to use a PowerPoint, once you have your PowerPoint made, that's where we're starting, all right? And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to slideshow, and we're gonna click the little drop down arrow, or you can just click on the icon itself, but you're gonna choose start record slideshow. All right, so you're gonna click that. And if you want to see yourself on here, actually, hold on one second, because I was practicing with these before. So let me just clear all of this stuff off here. Okay. All right, so back to the beginning here. We're going to record slideshow. And if you want yourself down here in the corner, you can just leave the camera on, but if you don't, this little camera icon right here, you can click that and you will go away. So when you're ready to record, you just click this record button here, and it will give you a countdown. Now, as you're recording and you're talking about the good stuff that's on your slides, if there is notes that you put on your slides, they will appear right here. So you can go ahead and use those for your talking points as you go along, and then you can see it shows your next slide coming up here. So as you talk about whatever you want to talk about on your slide, and then you're done, then you just click this little arrow and you would advance forward and you would just continue to deliver the information for each slide. You would continue to deliver the information for this slide and the information for this slide, and so on and so forth, until you got all the way to the end of your PowerPoint presentation, and then you would hit stop. All right. Now, if you have recorded 5 slides and you have 10 and something happens and you click stop and you want to pick up where you left off, all you have to do is go navigate to the slide that you want to start on. So you can see that these have this little speaker thing here, so you can see that it has the narration, and if I were to click this, it should play back whatever was recorded on that slide. So I have the first 4 done, but I had to go get some coffee, and so now I'm back and I want to pick up again. So I'm going to click on the slide I want to start on, and I'm going to go back to record, and I'm going to click record slideshow. Now, if you have something that's not a Mac, it might be a little bit different. But again, I'm going to turn my camera off, or you can leave it on, whatever you're comfortable with. And then you're going to pick up where you left off by clicking on record. And then you're going to continue to record what you want to say on this slide. Click the arrow, record what you want to say on this slide. Click the arrow, record what you want to say on this slide, so on and so forth, until you are done, and then you would hit stop. So you're just going to continue along in that manner until you get all of the narrations recorded on your slides. Now, let's say you don't like what you said on the intro slide. All right, you can click on that slide, make sure you're just clicked on that slide, and then you can clear that narration by going to clear narration on current slide. You can click that and see how the little speaker went away. And so I could go back and record this again using that same process. Now, the clear all narrations and clear narrations on current slide are very close to each other. And if you were to accidentally hit clear narrations on all slides after you're done recording everything, it will essentially delete all of your recording. However, do not fret. Click on this undo button right here, and it will magically reappear. You can see how it reappeared down here. So once you get everything recorded, all right, if you have a Mac, what you have to do is go to File, go to Export, and you're going to come down here to File Format, and you're going to choose MP4. Choose that and click Export. Now it's going to take a little bit. You'll see like a little process bar down at the bottom as it's exporting your file. Now, if you have something that is not of the Mac flavor, then you would do the same process, but you're going to click File, and then you're going to click Save As. And from the drop-down menu here, you should be able to find your MP4 file. All right, so essentially what this is doing is turning your PowerPoint with narrations into a video file. Okay, so after it is saved, you have your video file. Now, how do we get it to YouTube? So let's look at that. I'm gonna close this out. And I'm going to navigate to YouTube. Now, I already have a YouTube account, so I'm signed in over here in my YouTube account. And see this little camera right here with the plus? You're gonna click that, and you're going to choose to upload the video. Now, if you want to, you can drag and drop, or you can click Select File, and you're going to navigate to the file that you want to upload. And I'm just going to find a bio video, maybe this one. Click Open. I'm going to go ahead and title my video. I can give it a description if I would like to. If you already have videos and you want to add it to a playlist or create a playlist, this would be the place to do that. If it is not made for kids, and our videos are not made for kids predominantly, so we're going to click no, it's not made for kids, but there shouldn't be an age restriction, so that's all we need there. We're going to click next, and you can see down here that it says that it's already done uploading, so that was super fast. We're going to just skip this screen because we don't really need to do that. We'll skip through this screen as well. Now here is where you can tell YouTube what level of privacy you want for your video. So if you want it private, only you and the people you choose can watch your video. If you want it unlisted, anyone with the link can watch the video. So this is what I am going to suggest for our project, is an unlisted video, which means it's not searchable. So if you titled it as Watson and Crick DNA scandal, and somebody was wanting to learn more about Watson and Crick, and they were searching for that on YouTube, they would not be able to find your video because it is unlisted. However, a peer with that link would be able to get to it, and that's what we're wanting to be able to do, is share these amongst ourselves with our peers in class. So once you choose unlisted, then you're just going to click Save, and it will show up here in your listing. You can see mine's right here. It says it's processing 14%. All right, so once it is uploaded, it's going to appear as these do. All you have to do now is click play, and I'm just going to hit pause and click on the URL, copy it. I just use Control-C, and then you're going to, from there, you're going to navigate to the Blackboard. Mine is thinking about navigating to the Blackboard. You're going to find your class. You're going to go to where you have to upload it. All right. Let's see. That's going to be day 12. So let's navigate to day 12. And here, vlog discussion forum. Go ahead and click there. You're going to have to click create thread. This is my vlog. All right, I'm going to post that, copy it and paste it in there. I would probably make this like the name of your topic. All right, I can't type topic. And then you're going to go ahead and hit submit. And then everybody else will be able to see it. So that is it. I hope that this was helpful. And let me know if you have any other questions. I'm happy to help.